will you have someone circulate the mic?
The institute pointed out several highlights of the budget, with food insecurity, education and health among the top gainers of the proposal. To ensure the country realizes food security, 8 billion shillings has been channeled towards implementing the ongoing irrigation projects, while 2 billion shillings has been set aside for agribusiness. Youth and women have also something to smile about, with 6 billion shillings set aside for youth to engage in income-generating programs. There will be tax rebates to tax-compliant businesses and NGOs who hire inexperienced youths graduating from educational institutions. Another upside of the budget is the sum allocated to education. 10.3 billion shillings will be channeled towards free primary education, 2.6 billion shillings for school feeding program, 20.9 billion shillings for free day secondary education, and 826 million shillings for youth polytechnics, among others. However, some of the observations the institution called bizarre included the allocation of 4.9 billion shillings towards Higher Education Loans Board, which is a revolving fund. The institution also pointed out the much talked about VAT bill as another issue of concern. The Treasury estimates that upon its enactment, the Kenya Revenue Authority would raise an additional 10 billion shillings. However, based on preliminary concerns, there is opposition to expanding VAT to cover food and essential commodities as proposed in the previous bill.
That bill, the objective is actually meant to simplify the VAT code, to make it simple in terms of understanding, and also to make it easy in terms of administration. And that is likely to enhance compliance.
This year's budget proposal channeled less money in comparison to last year towards healthcare. This, coupled with free maternal services in public health institutions, looks like a challenge in itself. However, the analysts say there are other alternative means of closing in on the deficit.
Most of the health services are actually devolved. So service delivery, especially whether it's from the level 1 hospitals, that is the health dispensaries, to the former district hospitals, those are functions that will be undertaken at the county level. So it's likely that a portion of that amount that the ministry used to get in the past is going to go to the county.
The institute has also come up with its own proposals on the budget, such as improving compounding framework for income tax on tax offences, as well as withholding tax on winnings from gaming and betting. Eric Munene, GBS Primetime News.